and that would be the Laura Geller Gilded. Oh my god. I feel like I look like an infant without makeup on. It is just one of the most beautiful, I can't talk today. Alright, so for today's video, we are doing a natural glam, okay, here's the thing. This was supposed to be a natural holiday makeup tutorial, but somehow I still ended up like this because I have a problem where I just do things to the max. So I will do a natural holiday makeup look, but today's video is going to be more of a natural glam holiday makeup look. I did try to keep with some more earthy nude tones, a little bit of shimmer, and a nude lip because the last holiday look I did was very colorful and very dramatic. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, I will have that link down below. But also if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. I will be using my Smashbox So Chill Coconut Water. I love using this stuff just because it's so easy and quick to do and it dries really quickly. And quite frankly, your girl is pretty lazy, so if I can, you know, make something go quicker and not have to put as much effort into something, I'm about it. It smells really good too. I love using this primer in winter because it is a water. I just feel like I get that extra little bit of hydration, which is nice, especially before putting on my makeup. I feel like I'm just like, give it to me. I'm ready. I'm ready to do a full beat, even though I'm not doing a full beat today because ain't nobody got time for that. For foundation, I will be putting on a very light layer of my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm going to buff this on with my JH03 brush. Little dark, so we're gonna have to fix this. So I'm just gonna put this on the outer parts of my face, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just gonna put this in the center so that the center of my face is brighter, but also so that I can mix it in with that darker color to make sure that I get the right skin tone, just because I am not this tan, unfortunately, and this isn't even really that tan. So that's how my day is going. For concealer today, I will be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. What is new? I love this because it's super full coverage, so a little bit goes a long way. And of course, I will be blending that in with my JH08 brush. I will be setting my under eye and the center of my face with my e.l.f. finishing powder. Just going to apply that with my JH07 brush. So I was gonna use a different bronzer today, however I literally can't find it anywhere. It's not around me. I think it just disappeared into thin air. So I'll be using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I will also be applying that with my JH02 brush. You guys know how much I love this stuff, but I definitely need to try out some new bronzers. So if you guys have any recommendations, whether that be high-end or drugstore, let me know down below because I am not sure what to try out next. I'm going to take my JH04 brush and my Morphe blush in the shade Apologetic. This is from the Blush Trio in the shade Pop of Coral, and I will be putting that right above where I put my bronzer. Well, I just found the bronzer I was going to use. It was in my brush kit, so... And if you can guess what highlighter I'm going to be using, you are a real one because I've been using this in all of my videos recently. I'm so obsessed with it. That would be the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. Before I apply this with my JH09 brush, I'm going to spray my face with a little bit of the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray just to help to make this highlight look a little bit brighter and a little bit more dramatic. I am going to quickly fill in my brows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills 14 brush and my Anastasia Dip Brow. I have mine in the shade Chocolate. This is my favorite brush to do my brows with, but also to do my wing liner with, just because it's skinny and very precise, so I feel like I have a lot of control over the product, and I'm just going to speed through this because you guys have seen this a million times. So I'm going to dip into my soft Glam palette, and I'm going to pick up the shade Burnt Orange with my JH35 brush, and I'm going to put this into my crease, slightly blending it up towards my transition shade. With the same brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Sienna and I'm going to put this tightest into my crease and slightly onto the outer corner. The thing I like about looks like this is you can really build up the shades to be as intense as you want them to, or if you want them to be super natural, you can just do a wash of color. So I'm just going to build this up till I'm happy with the definition that I have. I'm going to keep this more on the natural side, so I'm going to challenge myself or really try to control the side of me that's just want to do a full smoky eye. I'm just going to go in and apply the shade into my crease and my outer corner. I am going to take the shade Fairy and I'm going to put this from my inner corner slightly back towards my lid to brighten this look up a little bit, and also to add some of that gold shimmery in here, because whenever I think of holiday looks I always think of gold and shimmery tones like that, so I just really want to incorporate this kind of tone into today's look. I'm going to take this shade Cypress Umber and I'm going to press this up against my lash line with my JH42 brush. Alright, so now I'm going to be putting on some mascara and some lashes. You can totally skip the lashes. I'm just doing it to show you guys kind of the complete look if you wanted it to be more dramatic. So for mascara today, let's see. I think I'm going to use my NARS Climax mascara. And then I will be using my Nilo Cosmetics lashes in the style Z. I am going to take my JH38 brush and that Sienna shade and I'm going to smudge that onto my lower lash line. I am going to apply a quick coat of mascara to my lower lashes. And then I'm going to dip into my Sultry palette. Picking up that shade Pearl with my JH39 brush, I'm going to put that into my inner corner just to brighten up this look a little bit more, and also because I'm literally obsessed with this shade. Alright, and in keeping with the natural tone of this look, I'm just going to be putting on a nude gloss. I will be using my Dior Lip Maximizer gloss. I'm not sure what shade this is in or if they even have any other shades, but this is the nude shade. Alright you guys, so this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. It actually really helps to get my videos out there. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And feel free to leave some video recommendations or video ideas down below, because I want to film what you guys want to see. And I'm always looking for new video ideas. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.